What's up, everybody? If you don't know me, my name's Dallas. I like to ride one wheels and stuff, and I love my one wheel, as you guys have seen in a lot of the videos. But today, I'm gonna try something totally different. I'm gonna try that guy. Okay, so this is an EUC, an electric unicycle. They go super fast. This one goes 31 miles an hour when you're good at it. Today I'm probably not gonna go 31 miles an hour. So I've really never ridden an electric unicycle. Today's gonna be the first real shot at doing it. I watched a couple videos, we'll see how that goes. But I got this one from my buddy Max, so shout out to Max. Thanks so much, man, for selling me this. This is super cool. This is a Kingsong 18XL. So it's got the larger battery, it's got like a crazy range. This is obviously a used one. It's a perfect way for me to start, but this is an 18-inch wheel, so it's kind of big. It's got foot plates that pop down, this handle that pops up so you can like walk it. And I know almost nothing about this stuff, so I'm just gonna jump in and see what we can do. So, okay, flip that guy down, flip this down, and then in the videos, they said first, just put your foot on it and just try to like stand here. It's just like hard enough. Just feel it. And they said start doing like little circles like this. Oh, you know, oh, it's making noise. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, we're good. Probably don't let it get away from you, I guess. And then they said when you stand on it, you're supposed to start with it at an angle so that when you step up, it like goes to level. Which seems super stupid to try, so let's try it. And just see. Seems like my foot should be like there. And they said don't hunch. Okay, not so bad. Okay. All right. I know I could try this wall too, but I wanted to see if I could do it without anything first. Okay. Woo, look at that, huh? Everything online says like you want to get moving too, it seems like. That's what everyone said. Like standing still is like really hard, so. Okay, so I feel like I'm doing okay. And I'm starting to like be able to move a little bit. It's working, it's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna use this wall now to see if that can like speed me along and I can start to get like a little bit more with it. I know there's other ways of doing this, but I'm just gonna keep trying this, so. Ooh. How do you get side to side balance on this thing, man? Ooh, that's hard. To give you guys some context, with a one wheel, I took, I don't know, 15-20 minutes and I was ripping around the block. One wheel's a lot easier so far for sure. I'm just gonna do this a bunch of times so you can see how many times it takes me and watch my progression. Yeah, enjoy. Beep, beep. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and I'm starting to be able to kind of move around a little. It's pretty cool. Like, I feel like if you kick off like a skateboard or something, you know, with that momentum, it's a lot easier. So far it's like, okay, I'm starting to feel it. It's definitely like the side to side is tough, which is to be expected, but no front to back problems, you know, at all, which is cool. So I'm like out of breath if you can't tell. It's really hard. It's like, it's tiring. This isn't like super easy. I thought it would be. I knew it would be hard. So, the Kingsong 18XL. This thing so far has been pretty epic. I bought it, like I said, off my friend Max. It's got, I think it's a 2,000 watt motor or 2,200 watt motor, one of the two. It's got a big old battery. They say it can go like up to like 60 miles of range, 70 miles of range I've seen. It's got Bluetooth speakers so you can listen to your music. It's got 4 speakers in it. It's got these cool LED lights that go down the sides. You can charge your phone, like I said. 2 USB ports there. It's got a headlight in it, so it gives you some light ahead of you, and it's got a tail light too, which is cool. It's got 2 charging ports, so you can connect 2 chargers to it and charge it twice as fast, because it does take a pretty good amount of time to charge this battery up. It's like, I think like 4 hours to get to 80% or something. I'm not sure, to be honest. I figure I'll just charge it at night. I'm not sweating it right now. The range is going to be way more than enough. It'll be no problem. Yeah, it's got these flip down big old foot pads. These are cool. Apparently these are bigger than a lot of the other ones. It's got this trolley handle, so when you turn it on, because this thing weighs like 50 pounds, which is crazy, but you do this and you just walk it. It's like
Bluetooth is connected.
Bluetooth is connected. It talks to you too, which is super cool. I'm stoked on it. This thing is killer. Sweet. Seriously though, eWheels, send something out, and yeah, I'll test it if you guys want. It's from like a full-on beginner's perspective, and someone coming from Onewheel over, I'd be stoked to share my thoughts on it and just try some different stuff. I'm all about it. That's why I picked this up. You know, a lot of people are like only on Onewheel or only on an EUC or only on e-bikes or whatever, and I'm like, let's just dabble, man. Let's dabble and let's try some stuff. So today we're dabbling. But that's all I got for you guys today. I hope you liked it. Like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Later. I'm coming for you, Stro.